So hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again on the channel Eau de Parfum. So for today's video I'm doing a review for a fragrance for the ladies, a fragrance from the company ZARA, and also I'm doing a giveaway, so you guys, you will have to stay tuned until the end of this video where I'm gonna talk about the giveaway and its details. So without further ado, let's talk about our fragrance for today. I went to the ZARA store once again lately, like a few days ago, and I wanted to see if there is anything new, something interesting, especially for men. I didn't really find much, so I decided to go and look at the fragrances for the ladies, and I tried a few, and there was like 2 or 3 fragrances that really caught my attention. So one of them is the one that I'm gonna talk about today, and I have the bag over here already, and let me show you the 2 fragrances that I bought. I said earlier that 3 fragrances caught my attention, but I ended up just buying 2, and this is Sense of Glam, the one on the left over here, and Cotton Kiss. These 2 fragrances, they are from the same series. Over here it says ZARA Improbable or ZARA Improbable 003, and this is also ZARA Improbable 002. There is 001, 004, and I think there is also 005 and 006, but I didn't find those. I only found from 1 to 4, and I tried 4 of them, but this is the 2 that caught my attention. And for today I'm doing a review for this one right here, Sense of Glam. But the giveaway, I'm giving both fragrances, not these ones. I'm going to get 2 brand new fragrances, because I'm going to use this one, I'm going to spray it and all that, so it will not be a good idea to give something used to one lucky subscriber or lucky winner. So without further ado, let's start with Sense of Glam. As you can see, the presentation is really something unusual, especially when it comes to ZARA fragrances. This time it comes in this type of wrapping, as you can see over here. And yeah, this is the price, by the way, 7.95, 7 euros 0.95, something like $9, $10, not even $10. Pretty cheap, pretty affordable, but this is a 30 ml size bottle. This is an EDT eau de toilette, as you can see over here, and it is a 30 ml. So this fragrance is from this series. They do have a 120 ml bottle, and this is like the where you refill those. I mean, if you have the 120 ml bottle, you can refill this 30 ml bottle from that one. Understand? So, but this one is already filled. In case it gets empty, you can refill it again if you buy the 120 ml. So let's unbox this. Fragrance right here. As you can see, the glue here is really a little bit strong, but we're gonna do it anyway. So as you can see over here, inside there is warnings and like instructions how to open it and refill it again and all that, and in different languages. Okay, let's put this to the side. I think I'm gonna have to, oh my god, I was going to blow it all. I'm going to put this one like this so it won't fall down, because as you can tell, I cannot put it like this, it's gonna fall down. So yeah. Alright, so as you can see, pretty cute little bottle. It says on the bottle Sense of Glam, just like on the box, if I can say that, or the wrapping of this fragrance. Over here we have some informations and all that, and a batch. I think, yes, there is a batch code. Sense of Glam. I like this these small fragrances, these small bottles. You can put them easily in your bag, transport them with you anywhere you go. They are portable, and it is a smart way to have your fragrance with you. And the cap is really is okay. It's doing the job. You can hold it from the cap easily. It will not fall down. So let's spray a little bit for the video. The sprayer, as you can see, the atomizer is pretty long, which is good. The sprayer is okay, pretty decent. And what a blast! I'm smelling it right now. Very nice. So I'll talk to you a little bit about this fragrance while I let the scent dry a little bit. I already sprayed this fragrance at the store like twice. I went there twice and I sprayed it the first time, then I came back again and I sprayed it again and sprayed it even more. I wanted to be really convinced about it before buying it. So meanwhile, I let the fragrance dry a little bit on my hand. I'm gonna give you or tell you a little bit of information about this fragrance. So ZARA Sense of Glam, as I said, it is from the ZARA Improbable series, where they have like 6 fragrances, and they are like, as I said earlier, the main bottles are like 120 ml size, and these small ones are the ones where you can that you can use to refill from the main bottle. But as I said, I already these bottles are already filled. In case they are empty, you can refill them again from the main bottle. So yes, I was saying that this fragrance is an oriental floral fragrance for women. It was launched in 2019, and the main accords are rose, vanilla, floral, fruity, and also tropical. For the notes we have in the top notes, we don't have much really, even though I feel like it does have something much more than what's listed on the ZARA store or the ZARA website. So for the top note we have lychee, the middle note we have rose, and the base note we have vanilla. So how does this fragrance smell like? Sense of Glam, why I bought this fragrance, the main reason why I bought it, because it reminded me of a really good fragrance by Frédéric Malle, which is Lipstick Rose. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know this fragrance. It is pretty famous, it is pretty good, very lovely fragrance. Personally, I really like it, and this one really reminded me of it like so much, even though this fragrance has its own vibe, definitely, and also reminded me of something else. And I'm sure a lot of you guys will disagree a little bit, but the opening, I'm just talking about the opening, the first initial spray. On that initial spray, this fragrance reminded me of Delina Exclusive by Parfum de Marly. I'm not saying that this is a clone to that one. I'm not saying that the smell or the scent, like overall, is exactly like Parfum de Marly or it is close to it. I'm just saying the opening, that spray, it reminded me of Parfum de Marly, Delina Exclusive. It reminded me of that, especially at the dry down, that vibe, that especially with the lychee note in this one reminded me of the lychee note on Delina Exclusive. But as I said earlier, this fragrance reminded me more of Lipstick Rose by Frédéric Malle. I can definitely consider this fragrance as a clone or a cheap alternative of Lipstick Rose by Frédéric Malle. Still, I'm still talking about how it smells. So I was trying to, if you ever had those fragrances or if you ever smelled them, you can relate when you smell or spray this one. But I will tell you even more details. When you spray it, you get that lipsticky vibe, like gloss stick type of you know, those items that women use. It has that cosmetic vibe as well, powdery, a little bit powdery, very very feminine. I would say once again, this is femininity in a bottle, but the thing is, it is a little bit synthetic, especially after like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it gets really synthetic-y. But you know, it's not a big deal because it is a cheap fragrance. As I said earlier, it is like $8 or $9, and it's pretty affordable, and you get what you pay for. So for the performance, I would say, or I would put it this way, the performance with this one is moderate. Not weak, but it is moderate. Longevity, I would say 4 to 5 hours, solid 4 hours. It projects good or good enough for the very first hour. Really good sillage, good enough. Especially that it is a cheapie. The sillage is pretty good. It is not weak. It is not a beast mode. It is not very good or great, but it is good enough. And you can definitely consider this fragrance as a signature scent if you want to. This is really the type, in my opinion, this is the type of fragrances that can be used as a signature scent. And yeah, you can definitely wear it any time of the day, any time of the year, but not really when it's too hot, when it's humid. Better to avoid it, especially that it is a cheapie. It might really turn to something unpleasant, not pleasant, if I can say that. So yeah, not to wear it when it's really too hot. But you can definitely wear it any time of the day, during the day, afternoon, evening, at night, and for every situation, like going out or at work, for the office or something like that. And for the age range, I can definitely say that really any woman of any age can wear this fragrance. So do I recommend this fragrance? Definitely, like 100%. But if you are not into cheap fragrances, it is not for you. If you are not into clones, this is not for you, because I know a lot of people, they don't respect clones because clones also don't respect the first creation, and I definitely understand why. And but if you are on a budget, if you want something that's good enough, you can try this one. But before buying it, definitely try it before you buy it to see if it's gonna fit what you're looking for. But the main reason why I recommend it, because as I said earlier, I consider it, I mean, this is my proper opinion, I consider this one to be like a clone to Lipstick Rose, or a clone of Lipstick Rose by Frédéric Malle, but not exactly, not 100%, not 90%, I would say 55% to 60% close to Lipstick Rose by Frédéric Malle, because Frédéric Malle fragrances, or especially Lipstick Rose, is much better than Sense of Glam. Like obviously a higher quality, it is much denser, much heavier, and really better in everything. But still, I mean, the price that you pay for this, it is definitely a steal and a great alternative for Lipstick Rose by Frédéric Malle. Overall, really, it is a lovely fragrance, a very good cheapie. So now to the giveaway. So for the giveaway, for a chance to win both fragrances over here, Sense of Glam and Cotton Kiss, I'm going to give brand new bottles, not these ones, this is just for the purpose of the review. So yes, to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also you will have to go to my Instagram. You will find a picture of these two fragrances. You will like it. You will have to like it and leave a comment so I can notice your name or your username, so I can alert you when you win. And I left a link to my Instagram down below this video that will take you directly to my Instagram. So good luck everyone, and thank you so much for watching.